Imagine receiving free money every month and not having to lift a finger. You would love that idea, wouldn't you? Well, there is a way. It's called Universal Basic Income, UBI. Now, to kick things off, let's establish a solid foundation. Universal Basic Income is a radical economic idea that proposes providing every citizen with a guaranteed sum of money regularly, regardless of their employment status. It's gaining renewed attention in our fast-evolving world, especially now that AI has taken the lead. Let's delve deeper into the foundation of universal basic income. At its core, UBI challenges the traditional relationship between work and income. Instead of earning a livelihood solely through employment, every citizen receives a regular payment from the government, irrespective of their job status. Believe it or not, the idea of UBI isn't a product of our modern age. It can be traced back to the 16th century when philosopher Thomas More introduced the concept in his work, Utopia. The idea resurfaced in the 20th century, during discussions about addressing poverty and inequality. The foundation is deeply intertwined with various economic philosophies. From the perspective of economic justice, it aligns with the notion that everyone should have access to a minimum standard of living. On the other hand, it resonates with the concept of a negative income tax, championed by economist Milton Friedman. As societies evolved and grappled with issues of poverty and inequality, the implementation of social welfare programs became a way to address these challenges. However, UBI takes a step beyond traditional welfare, offering not just assistance to the most vulnerable but financial security for all citizens. The foundation of UBI reflects the changing landscape of work and the economy. With the rise of the gig economy, short-term contracts, and automation, the traditional 9-to-5 employment model is shifting. UBI emerges as a response to these changes, acknowledging the need for financial stability in a rapidly evolving world. Delving even deeper, UBI raises philosophical questions about the nature of work and the value society places on different roles. Should one's worth be solely determined by the job title? UBI challenges us to reassess our perspective on labor, creativity, and contribution to society. The foundation of UBI is solidified by innovative solutions and ongoing experiments. Governments, researchers, and economists are embarking on pilot programs and experiments to test the viability of UBI in today's world. These experiments are shedding light on its potential impacts on poverty, employment, and overall well-being. So, the foundation of universal basic income is deeply rooted in historical debates, economic philosophies, societal changes, and even philosophical inquiries into the value of work. In the following segments, we'll explore how UBI tackles economic challenges, the potential for social equality, and the hurdles that come with implementing such a radical idea. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more intriguing videos by AI Tech Explorer.